दूसरा सेंटर का कोई यहाँ पर ना खड़ा हो, ये चेक कर लीजिएगा अपने एडमिट कार्ड में, क्योंकि अगर आप जब तक आपको नंबर आएगा कहीं मालूम है कि आप लेट हो गए दूसरे सेंटर पहुंचने में, सेल फोन बाहर ही छोड़ के आएंगे। हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ आपके बैग रखवा सकते हैं, वो भी आपकी अपनी खुद की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगी। मोबाइल हम नहीं रखेंगे यहाँ पे, मैं बार बार अनाउंसमेंट कर रहा हूँ, मोबाइल लेकर के आप यहाँ पे नहीं आएंगे।
GK was kind of hard for me. I had practiced GK a lot, but such questions were.
According to me, GK was really very tough. I didn't practice a lot about GK. Secondly, that logical part was not that much easy. That was presented in our mocks in our coachings. And maths was easy. Maths was okay. English was okay, but logical part was comparatively tough.
Well, the paper was average. I think the general knowledge was very tough. Overall, the other three sections were quite good. Not very tough, not very easy.
Paper was slightly tougher than what we did in mocks. English was quite easy except for 2-3 questions which were Latin, some Latin vocabulary based, and RC was okay. LR was a bit on tougher side as compared to the mocks and the last year papers. Maths was simple.
Paper, quant was easy. English was highly vocab based. LR was quite tough. I mean, from the previous year paper question paper. And GK was okay. I mean, 10 to 15% would be okay.
This is my first attempt at Snap. Others I've given before. The paper, in short, GK was difficult. LR was easier than GK, but quant and English was easy. GK, there were current affairs, but some like we've got when was PM Narendra movie was, he took the oath, so I don't remember the exact date.
Okay, this was my second attempt. It was a little harder than what it was last year. GK was tough, current affairs, and a lot of questions in current affairs came. I think reasoning was relatively easy. English was easy, and for me as a person, maths is difficult, so I still thought that maths was difficult for me. Otherwise, it was slightly okay.
It was okay, but then the English part was very easy. GK was a bit difficult, and even the quantitative section was also a bit difficult. And logical reasoning was very easy.
What about general awareness and logical reasoning plus DI was a bit tricky?
Yes, it was like very difficult to even guess the answers. It was quite difficult. From last year also I have appeared for this exam.
You need a lot of comprehensive skills to understand the passages given in the paper.
In fact, the questions also, they were very twisted.